Hello, today we will talk about isolating factors. The first factor we'll talk about is geographic isolation. Suppose this is a valley and there is a large population of rabbits. With time, a river develops and separates the population into parts. With more time, both populations develop different traits that then result making them two different species that, if by any possibility mate, won't have any fertile offspring. The next factor we will talk about is reproductive isolation. We can have an example of two flowers of different species that if given the chance they can reproduce. Here we can see that even though they are side by side, they are not able to reproduce because one blooms in summer and the other one in spring. This means their pollen cannot come together to form an offspring. For them to be able to do so, they need to be genetically controlled. The next factor we will talk about is behavioral isolation. One example can be two birds sitting next to each other on a tree branch. If they are from different species, they will have different behaviors such as making specific sounds or tunes when looking for a mate. If one of the birds does this, the other one won't be able to understand because it can only communicate within their species. Another example of behavioral isolation can be seen in the human species. If a man who only speaks French talks to a woman who only speaks English, they won't be able to communicate because both of them won't understand each other. This would be a result of the difference in their behavior. We hope our explanation of the isolating factors has been clear to you. Thanks for watching.